my people, I want to check out a video, right? With them police here, right? It's like them there some clinic or some hospital or some people, right? It's like the police here, youth and thing, and check out the youth, and the youth are telling him, I'm a soldier. Him jape up all the youth and thing. You see what I say? The youth make him know about bonfire, him not have no papers, him not having papers on him, right? And the police then continue to follow up the youth. You see what I say? Because the youth is a soldier, right? Watch this now. Them go there with a prisoner, right? And them now pay the prisoner no mind at all. It's the youth, them are focused upon people. You see me? The prisoner could then get up and run to the hospital or the clinic or whatever people and go on about in business. Them are follow up the youth. Because we call the youth them a soldier. So they want to let them want have something between them and the youth and the people. Let's check out the video, people, and see what I want.
The policeman is serious, he's not letting man close. All the prisoners are idiot, come with a slide. But them now watch him. I'm not for buy back my guns. Look at my t-shirt just short. Chim. Show the man say I'm a soldier and him not have no identify. If show him say, watch him now left the man, follow back. He must like him differently. Watch all the doctor them attack him and follow the man.
You're not a prisoner. You're not a
The prisoner idiot, the prisoner should have go away.
No, everybody attacking him. Everybody
Don't like that cartoon.
Subscribe.
Shopbus TV. Production.
Like. Share.
So my people, when you see the first quarter, right? I'm going to check out the second quarter. But people, here what? Them police are not the professional. Them don't professional people. Them imagine you carry a prisoner, right? Go to either a hospital or a clinic or something, right? And imagine you see a youth and thing and you check him out, the man's a soldier, but him don't have him paper upon him. But yes, still now focus upon the youth, right? And now focus upon the prisoner when you carry go to the hospital or clinic people. People, must want to check out the second quarter with them police and what the people must say, right? People, observe people.
As I'm tell us, if you look at him, your sister, you look for us, man. Them good at scandal bag and money up here. So the youth there with them say so. Put on your soldier clothes. You put on your soldier clothes and can kick him up a road. Kick up him blow. Watch him. Make him stripe him one stripe a fool. See all him squad they talk to him. For we do of course. Watch out. One big bait.